senginenzululwane. Ngicela ukwazisa bonke abantu abalukanayo ukuthi sesi-right ngejele. Bengithi usuphethe ukudla bengizosho ukuthi cha uzoba yibhamuza. Cela nitshela abantu abasilukayo guys sesiyi-right ijele. Si-right. Lapho ngimtshelile ugela uthi ngicela ungayisebenzisi kakhulu kodwa bukani njani. Hey guys, I hope you guys are good. It's a Monday morning. We are at work, unfortunately. Others are fighting for justice for the Dlamini twins, which is very, very amazing. I mean, if I had the opportunity, I would also be there. You know, because guys, it can literally happen to anyone who has a child. It's the saddest thing ever. Like, especially Mausuza, the father, narrating how was the situation when he got there. It's really sad. It's really, really sad. So, it's like it's very, very good to see that others who have the means to go to the march are there fighting for the rights of the children, because ingane actually is like so insane, guys. Yo, when I saw the video of that father explaining, I was in so much shock. I was actually crying. Like, it's honestly like so outrageous. So I am happy to see that South Africans are actually supporting him, and the march is actually quite big. Hopefully the children get the justice they deserve and that building is closed, because apparently it's not the first time kwenzeka incident ekanjeyana yabo. So obviously if kunento eyenzeka la kanjalo kusho ukuthi leyo ndawo it's not safe for abantwana. And honestly nobody can blame the parents, because if kuthiwa indawo is safe, then now is exactly gonna, believe that it is. Because what more can you say? And guys, this is actually a very difficult story, because in English to Asika Makai, we are endaweni fighting for a better future for ourselves, for our kids. Lesitolo sisezansi kakhulu. Kwenzakalani? Makapoyizana uyaphila, ngiyaphila Sithandwa, I hope now alright. I was just breaking down here. I'm actually like in so much joy seeing the numbers of people that actually went out to support Butkaya Dlamini lapha eHomi. I can actually see eHomi from here. Like so I've been seeing videos all over social media. It's actually a very beautiful sight to see ukuthi abantu bayamsupport, because guys lento emehlakaleli it's very painful, especially if umuntu nawe onengane you would know ukuthi ibhlungu kangakanani. Because ngiyakhumbula nje mina khathi ngibuka ivideo yakhe the first time I cried. Like that video la khuluma khona nobaba uMsweli echaza ukuthi yabo ingane zakhe kwenzakalani, zafika ingane sezimbiza, echaze seyikhipha ukuthi isimo sasinjani. Yo, I can only imagine how he manages to be so strong, and fight for his kids. By the time his kids get justice, he's now gonna have to start grieving for the fact that ingane yakhe ayikho, nale enye ikwi-coma. The worst part is that today is the kid's birthday. Yo, into ebuhlungu kanje, guys. But yeah. Oh. Kuyashisa, angazi noma kuyashisa noma kuyabanda yini, kuyabanda, but kunayo lento ethanda ukuthi. Yeah, I was still saying ukuthi but ke sesibonga khona ukuthi bakhona abaphumelelile. Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. Siyasebenza ke manje. siyasebenza. Ninjani guys, got the weekend. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Abantu bagayi 25 baholile. Kodwa akekho noyedwa ongisendele imessage ethi phela sani ngithenga imoto nawo cash. Anhlalo khanya. Abantu bangayi 25 phela bahola indodla zeimali. Akekho umuntu ongathi mina ngumuntu ongayi 25 bese ngitshela ukuthi uhola 20 rand. Ngitshela ukuthi uhola imali engaphansi ko7.5. Angazi noma ngilambile noma ngizela. But khona okwenzakalayo. Sanibonani guys. Sanibonani. Hope you guys are good. Mina ngiyaphila. Thank you so much for joining my love. It's a beautiful Monday morning. The weather is really not on our side, but sivukile siyazama futhi. Like khaya ke sidayisa imoto. Khuluma noPhila Sande Ncamo. I am a sales cadet at Halfway in Durban Central. I sell cars, sell brand new cars. I sell a demo. I sell pre-owned cars. Okay. Zonke lezo imoto. Sorry guys, I was just trying to open the door because so I'm gonna leave my number here, 071-006-6001, and then sizoqhubeka ngengxoxo yethu guys. Anyone who's looking to buy a car, please contact me on my WhatsApp number. Do you have Mercedes sedan 2022 black or any other color besides white? I don't have one here at the dealership, but if you really need it, want to buy it, I can definitely get it for you because we have a lot of branches. So if imoto singenayo thina la eFlow ngizokucheckela ku database yethu ngikutholele ukuthi singayithola kephi. Anhlalo khanya. So just take my number and contact me on WhatsApp and then we will talk. Okay. Guys, umuntu ofuna ukuthenga imoto, you must make sure that you have a minimum salary of 7.5 after deductions, and you must also have a credit score of bani 615 class ngephenyeza. Ahlahle credit score yakho, it must just be more than 610. But just for you to be safe, aske sithi 615 ukuze soba guaranteed ukuthi le moto uyayithola. Anhlalo khanya. So sidayisa zonke imoto ke la, sidayisa ama pre-owned, sidayisa ama brand new, sidayise ama demo, sidayise or senze a trade in. So if you want to do a trade in, you can just contact me. Ngiyashisela. Guys, noma ngiyashisela noma warmth, too much warmth. Too much warmth. Oh man, you're my lady and I can. Guys, ngicela ngiyekeni lento yokuthi manje siwa nifaka ijeli because ngiyabona ukuthi ngimhlophe kanjani manje lapha ekhanda phezulu. Angisazi manje ukuthi ngizenze njani because yabo uthi ngini-edele unoma la because she is showing cars. Angimtholi guys, angazi into engizoyithini le. Nomasonto ulive ku Halfway Han noma kwi page lakho? I'll show you guys the cars. Asepha Chomi ngoba ukhombisa imoto. Angisho ukuthi iza. Kusho akusiwona ku Halfway Han. Hi guys, to those who just joined, hope you guys are good. Sihleli apha eMerekweni, abanye oza kwethuba kwi-march supporting uButkaya with justice for his kids. Unfortunately, we couldn't go because we have work. Yeah, I wasn't sure. But we are good. Silana Sidaisa Izimoto. If you want a car, you can just contact me whether you want a pre-owned car or you want a brand new car. Chomi, I think I will go away over to live Lippy page.
And I'll get you the car. And it's that simple. So I'm going fast, quick, in a hurry. Oh.
So guys, when if uzazi ukuthi uhola imali engango 7.5, if uzazi uhola imali engango 7.5 ne credit score 615, uthatha inamba yami ithi 0710066001. Anginayo guys imoto ka 3000.
That's for those roses.
Imoto ama price ayo aqala kumalini asike sithi ku 3.5 at least i-monthly installments, bese if ufuna ukuthenga ngo-cash iqala at least ku 179. Guys, anginayo imoto ka 60,000 noma ka 30,000.
My number is on my bio.
Awukhona hali, okay? Sinawo ama Grand i10, sinawo ama Kwidi,
I'm a queen.
Suzuki Swift Sports. Angazi nge-sport but Suzuki Swift sinayo. So you can
actually like wow, ngathi nje we came to a beach. Hey.
Which car for 3.5 per month? Ethos, it's an Ethos or a Toyota Vitz.
Asikhuluma nje manje dehamba ithini budget yakho if ufuna imoto uyacabanga ukuthi
Jomfaka lapho.
ufaka injom
Lento.
yini lefaka
Le kade ngizama ukufaka kuyona.
invite
Yawazi ukuluka igoda?
black braid. I can't show me.
Oh,
The problem is so if you have just joined, I hope you're well. My name is Noma. I sell cars. Nami ngivela ngikhuluma ukuthi ngisemsakazweni. Abantu bazongithatha kanjani serious?
Bazokuthatha serious Chom, bazokufaka emsakazweni.
Yebo, construction babies. Wow. Women in construction. Very nice.
It's only Ethos, Ethos, ATOS. Not
Etios has been
Etios.
discontinued.
ATOS, not
Oh, it's a honey
Etios.
filter. Do I need a filter? Yes or no? Let's vote. Yes or no?
Not
Should I
AT.
put a filter on? Let me try.
Show me. I don't have it on the floor, but I do have it.
Your friend,
Like if you
thank
would,
you.
if you want to buy it, you can get it.
Hi,
But I don't
Deborah.
have it here on the floor because our floor is full, so we can't add as
Ngiyashisa la
many.
so lelo. My finger.
Finger.
Oh my god. Guys, ngishise inkomisho ekuseni so my finger umoshekile umuntu wami lo like my middle finger.
I don't have it here because the floor is full. But if it's like you wanna buy it, you definitely get it because we have a lot of branches.
You have a Toyota 7-seater? Yes, I do have Toyota Romeo, I do have, and I also do have a Suzuki Ertiga.
Umbuzo muni lo ngibuza wona.
Thank you.
Chomnang engibuza ukuthi do I fall down esontweni and they pray for me.
Okazi le msangano nje vele babuza umsangano. Hayibo. Yes. If you have just joined how much are they monthly installment? Okay, so it depends. Since the price is 359,000 rands, it depends from person to person, depending on the interest rate that the bank decides to give you. So nakhona bakunikeza interest rate based on igama lakho. If igama lakho lilihle uzokhokha imali installment encane. If unegama elimbi uzokhokha kakhulu. So some people pay from 6,800, some people pay 7,000, 7.5. That is as far as the installment can go, but like I said, it depends. And then the bank decide okay, so you are more than welcome to give me your things on WhatsApp since the application is one would say it's an installment. Okay, so I have a Suzuki Ertiga, I have a Toyota Romeo, both are same price, 300.
Do you have latest Fortuner? Yes, I do, but it's not here on the floor. It's how we reckon, which means it's going to get clean and, you know, your polish will be right, it be grand.
Okay.
Chomi yenza phela.
You're not being specific. I'm just like, what?
No, hayi bo chum. Wavele ekuqaleni.
Who?
Yena ugel. Buka ingeni.
Hayi bo. Why?
Shuthi senze into wrong mhlawumbe.
Oh, my finger is burning. Hi sis, I have 636 credit score. Recently got a credit card, but it's not helping much with my credit score.
I think we are doing the wrong thing.
636 is a very good credit score, my love.
Nah.
Okay, it's a very good. WhatsApp.
Legend. Aye.
How do I mute from me?
Press that prevalent day sound.
Yo, uyazi umuntu live angwazi. Yo nama bekhulisa ngaso mafamu. Yabo, I did that. Oh, wow.
Legend 55, yes, we do have a Legend 55. 850,000. Toyota Hilux Legend 55 extra cab.
Phela Sande, unomsindo. Hayi, we don't do that here. We don't do that.
Hayibo.
Wenze njalo phela Sande. Phela. We sisenda na yodwa, that's why.
Shuthi ngibulaleke.
Shuthi ngibulaleke.
Bulaleke.
Sisenda na yodwa, so that's why kunomsindo.
Tuku. Guys ninjani? Hope you guys are good. Pick and choose. Khetha owakho saleswoman sidayisa izimoto la. Mafuna ukuthenga imoto, you contact me, you contact Unoma. We sell cars, we sell pre-owned cars, we sell brand new cars, we sell a demo.
Yes,
we
I do
also
have.
do a trade-in.
I do have a Toyota Corolla Cross. Yes, I do have. It's a hybrid. It was 469. You see, they reduced manje ukuthi phela nizoyithenga manje siwu 439. It's 439,000 rands and it's quite in color. You're more than welcome to send me a WhatsApp.
That's actually a bargain. Like what?
Yes, it was 489 at first. Yes, yeah, 469. So I do have. I also have a Toyota Starlet Cross. It arrived when? Friday, right?
Yeah, I think it arrived on Friday.
So yes.
Network error, please try again.
Yes, the 2024 model. I do have it. I think put some in your computer. Le moto
ingenzela izinto ezifana iyashisa.
Ingakho Jombe uthi umuntu wami uyabhena iyashisa le moto Jombe shame. Xa samsaki out.
Ngathi angazi.
Oh, my friend ungisendela roses.
Kahle angazi. Thank you so much. Very, very nice.
I love you. I like you. Hayi bo ngisawuveza le moto bose ngikhohlele. Hayi where am I? Let me just show you.
How? Thank you my friend. Hayibo. Waze wafaka ama-rose. Kwaze kamnandi. Hayibo ngiyabonga. Oh, lapho your name is not showing. Kuthiwa nje your friend. Your friend achazwa. Hey. What a joke. I may tell you a joke, but I'll never tell you a lie. What a joke. My darling. Phila Sande, I'm your friend. Hey, lonto engixakayo nami ukuthi kubhala ukuthi your friend. Ngiyabonga-ke kodwa my friend because akekho umunye umuntu obesangifakela ama-gift la ngaphandle kwakho. So nje ungenze umuntu ebantwini. Ngicela nani guys nifane no my friend ningifakele ama-rose, nifake ama-rose, nifake amambali. Lo bhuti othi uhlushwa ingane abe right umampintsha lale ngokuthula. Abe right. Guys, you see the cars that you are seeing with background and your those are the cars that we sell, okay? So if you know that you have a credit score of 610 is the requirement. However, just to be on the safe side, 615. Oh gosh, just to be on the safe side, 615. Bese kumele kube ukuthi uhola imali engango 7.5 after deductions, not before deductions, after deductions. Alright? So ke mase kwenzekile ke lokho ke when are you already qualified to get a car. And mangithi qualify angisho ukuthi you are guaranteed ukuthi uzoyithola, because guys ziningi izinto edala ukuthi umuntu imoto agcine engayitholi yabo, because kukhona umuntu mhlawumbe onegama elihle like i-credit score yakhe mhlambe i-right 615, but uthola ukuthi ama-account akhe ayona ama-account in areas, mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi akakhokhi in time, kunama-missing payments yabo. So lowo muntu-ke igama lakhe seliyalimala kanjalo, alright guys. Ngiyanicela-ke mina shem, ngiyanicela nje ake nje nibe serious nje, ke nizothenga imoto nje, ke kube mnandi nje, ke nizothenga imoto. Niyangazi guys, yimina lo, lo. So if you're looking for a car, you can just contact me. I sell all brand cars. I sell njengamanje nje ngihleli kwini Starlet. This is a Starlet XS esiwumanual and it's going for 279,990. No, I'm lying. Automatic or 270. Le 229. 229,990. Angihlalo khanya. 279,990. 220. Automatic 279,990. Manually 229,990. Sinawo ke nama Grand i10. We have a Grand i10. We have Quid. We have lezi moto ezincane nje, entry level cars. We have a Kia Pegasus that's going for 224,990. Wanhlalo khanya, okay? So if you're looking to buy a car, you can just contact me, whether you want to buy a brand new car or you want to buy a pre-owned or ufuna ukuthenga a demo. Guys, if anyone doesn't have an idea what a demo is, they can just contact me, okay? You can just contact me. No, actually, don't contact me, but just tell me la. Actually, so that if ukhona osabayo mhlawumbe ukusho sinayakazi as abe nayo knowledge ukuthi okay phela sande mekhuluma ngedemo so wekhuluma ngani. Guys, I want to go live on my business page, but nginovalo. But let's go try and see how it's gonna work. Please migrate to my business page. My business page is Unana.